When Eliza Day is seduced and betrayed by a wealthy English lover, she soon finds out that the restrictive society in which she lives has no place for defiant women who break with convention. Bradan Press is raising funds for the translation and publishing of An Rós Fiáin, a full-color graphic novel in Irish. An Rós Fiáin reimagines a haunting Appalachian-Irish murder ballad as a tale of love and revenge set in 1790s Ireland and London. It's a translation of the 6-issue indie comic book series Wild Rose by award-winning Halifax romance novelist Nicola R. The Kickstarter is going to support translation of the script from English into Irish, re-lettering the graphic novel in Irish, professional Irish language proofreading, and publishing the completed graphic novel in paperback and digital editions in October 2023. Bradan Press is a Scottish Gaelic publisher founded in 2016 in Halifax, Nova Scotia. To date, we've published 33 titles in genres including nonfiction, children's fiction, poetry, and graphic novels.
Díomh, Maureen the Aberdeen is Anam Dun, agus is mise an taistrohar Gaeilge den Uorscéil Graphic Wild Rose An Rós Fiáin. Hello, my name is Maureen Bergen and I'm the Irish language translator of the graphic novel Wild Rose An Rós Fiáin. I'm from County Westmeath in Ireland and I began my work with Bradan Press during my time as an Irish language instructor in St Mary's University, Halifax, Nova Scotia. I'm very excited for this project and I can't wait for you all to see it. Buinigí Soltas.
Hi, I'm Nicola R, the author of Wild Rose. I am a romance novelist based in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, and I've worked on everything from video games to traditional novels to graphic novels, and this project is really close to my heart, and I hope that you enjoy Wild Rose as much as I did. I started working on this book several years ago after first hearing the Nick Cave and Kylie Minogue ballad. From there, I thought about what would be the best way to showcase the story of Eliza Day, and a graphic novel seemed to make sense immediately because it's such a visual, beautiful story. It shows the history in the story, whether that's coming from costuming, things like Ellen Early, the witch's cottage, or Bedlam, the asylum in London. And as I worked on the project, I had to do research into things like secret societies in Ireland in the 1790s, and the way that Irish people were treated in London and throughout England. One of the main characters, Adam Stone, is a free black man, so I did research into the history of people of color in Ireland and England at the time. And there is a lot of accurate historical detail and people who are included in the book. And so there are all kinds of historical Easter eggs sprinkled throughout the book, and that I really enjoyed researching and bringing to life for you.
Is mise Emily Nichjoin, Hamilam Chiansúya, a Clove Ratten, Anna Halifax, Alpanuig. I'm Emily McEwen, and I'm the president of Bradan Press in Halifax, Nova Scotia. I'm also the letterer of all of our graphic novels in English and Gaelic. I'm also the author of 2 books, the Scottish Gaelic Tattoo Handbook and an academic book called Gaelic Language Revitalization, Concepts and Challenges, Collected Essays. So Shin Misha, that's me.